How the ice cold, still phone a nigga up. Hop me a park and float like the real. I shoot shots like Reggie Miller. Girl, you look so familiar. She a bad one.
Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Beauty and I'm back with another video. So today, as you can tell from the title, I will be doing a hair install. This wig that I'm wearing right now, that I'm trying on, is from Ashimary hair. All the information will be in the description below, so if you want to see like how I slay this wig, keep watching this video. So like I said in the beginning, this hair is from Ashimary hair and it came with a wig cap. It also came with a pair of lashes. This hair is 26 inches. It is a lace frontal. The lace is pretty good. I also use Ghost Bond and I use some Lotta Body and olive oil super old spray. This is how the wig looks straight out the packaging. As you can see, the lace and everything, it came with 2 clips in the front and 1 in the back, and then like the elastic in case you want to secure your wig more tighter. First, I'm gonna put on my wig cap and then spray my olive oil holding spray on my hairline, and then afterwards I'll go in and blow dry it, make sure it's completely dry. Then I'm gonna take my scissors and cut around the perimeter, put on my Ghost Bond on there. I already cut my tabs off, and I also cut it like by sections because I feel like it's easier for me to do, so that's why I cut it into sections. But you could do it however you want, you feel comfortable doing it, but this is how I feel comfortable cutting it into sections. Now I will just be blow drying it. The hair is like, I already bleached the knots and everything. I used a 20 volume developer, and I also used BW2. So now I'm just sectioning off the areas that I want to use as my baby hair, and I will just start plucking that and making it a little bit more thinner, because your baby hair is not supposed to be super full. As you can see, it looks realistic, you know. So as you can tell, it looks very realistic. The lace looks very good. All I have to do now is just cut the lace off, and then we're gonna be in business. Now I'm just blow drying just to make sure everything is secure and everything is in place. Now I'm gonna take my hair polish and put it on my wig in the front, just because it looks a little dry. And then I'm gonna take my hot comb, and I want that baby laid, okay? I want it to be laid. So I'm just taking my hot comb and just making sure like it's laid. Then I'm gonna just take my razor, and I feel like a razor is better than a scissors because it really shapes out your hairline really good. So I prefer a razor. Some people prefer scissors, but I'm gonna stick to a razor. Now I'm just taking my Olden spray from olive oil and making sure I spray everything down, and then I'll go in with the blow dryer and blow dry. Okay guys, now let's get into the baby hairs, you know, everybody's favorite part. I just want to say that I'm not perfect when it comes to wig baby hairs. I am still learning, and I know how to do baby hairs because I have my own hair and I do a very good job. But when it comes to a wig, it's just like it's a lot more work. Like you have to put in a lot more effort into it because you actually making a hairline for yourself. So yeah, that's what I was doing. So I didn't want it to look very like fake. I wanted to look very realistic. So I was just playing around with it, make sure I like it, and just doing my thing, you know? So just make sure it look very realistic. Don't put a lot out, and yeah, just take a little bit. And even if you have to tweeze it, go in and tweeze it just so it looks good. Okay, you guys, so now that that baby hair is done, as you guys can see, it looks very much like scalp. I am so happy with how this hair turned out. I hope you guys learned something like this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.